Hi everyone, in this video I will be creating a simple everyday no makeup look using my favorite products. This is going to be a minimal look. I'm also going to show you how to prep your skin in detail because that's something that I don't talk about in a lot of my videos. A no makeup look or a natural makeup look is mostly about how you take care of your skin. So skincare is very important. If your skin is at its best, you have to use less layers of makeup. I'm not against full coverage makeup, I love doing it sometimes, but this video is for people who don't like layers of foundation, concealer and powders on their face. I will mostly be using cream products in today's video because I feel that creams blend more into your skin, they look more natural. Obviously we are going to use a powder to set our face, but I will try to use as many cream products as possible. Cream products are also easy to blend. And now without any further chatting, let's get started. My face is completely clean. I don't have anything on my face right now, and the first product that I will be using is a toner. For that, I'm using the Dr. Earth Kombucha Essence plus Plant Stem Cells Blue Light Mist. This is a multivitamin blue light rescue facial mist with plant stem cells and fermented kombucha. It soothes, tones and comforts the skin while adding a boost of hydration. Now, a toner is a really good product to use if you're going to use something with hyaluronic acid after this. That way, the hyaluronic acid gets some moisture to bind to, and it will keep the skin very plump and hydrated. So I'm just going to massage it into my skin a bit, and this already gives you a really beautiful glow. I will be using a serum next, and for that I'm using the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide 10% serum. The serum has a really beautiful and nourishing texture. That's why I love using it. This is a 10% niacinamide face serum that clarifies and brightens skin by actively working on blemishes and post-acne marks, soothing active acne, and regulating sebum production. It also has Japanese sake that minimizes appearance of pores and protects from sun damage. Now for moisturizer, I'm going to use the simple kind to skin hydrating light moisturizer. I'm using a light moisturizer because I will be applying a nice layer of sunscreen. So I don't want a lot of skincare products to be on my skin because that can cause pilling while I apply makeup. So make sure that you're using very light skincare products. Avoid moisturizers that have thicker consistency. Obviously you can do that if it's winters, but during summers it can make you sweat and there is a chance of pilling as well. The final step in our skincare is going to be sun protection, and for that I am going to use a sunscreen. This is the Dermaco 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel with SPF 50. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen. This is my current favorite sunscreen because it has a very lightweight formula, it's quick absorbing and it's not got a white cast. I love mixing a couple of drops of foundation in my sunscreen to make my face look more even toned. The foundation that I like mixing with this sunscreen is the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and this one is in the shade Classic Tan. I take a coin drop, about 3 pumps of sunscreen for my entire face, and then I just mix a couple of drops of foundation in this. Now while blending this, you have to make sure that you're using your fingers and not a sponge or a brush because you don't want the sponge to absorb the product, that is the sunscreen. Also make sure that you're being gentle while blending because if you rub it into your skin, it can cause pilling. If you want, you can just skip the foundation and apply the sunscreen. I know it looks crazy right now, but it is going to blend into my skin and it's gonna look seamless. And this is how my skin looks after applying all the skincare products. I have a little bit of coverage because I mixed the foundation with the sunscreen. The first product that I will be using is a color correcting primer. Now this product is completely optional. You only have to use it if you have hyperpigmentation. I generally don't need this, but I'm using it in today's video to show you how to apply this. The brush that I'm using is the Cuffs and Lashes F011. This is the K-Beauty Color Correcting Primer in the shade Orange. It has a lightweight water-based formula. It cancels dark spots, pigmentation and dark circles, especially if you have brown skin. I will be applying it in the pigmented areas like under eyes and around my mouth to cancel out the pigmentation in those areas. My favorite concealer for a no makeup look or for a natural makeup look is the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Classic Beige. This is exactly my skin tone, so I like using it on my under eyes and around my mouth to cover this pigmentation. So I place the concealer on that area and then I'll just blend it out. And then right on the pigmentation, This concealer has a medium coverage and it looks very skin-like. It also has an easy to use doe foot applicator. You need to start with the least amount and use a brush. You do not want to lose coverage and you can easily build it up with a brush. For cream blush, I will be using the Cuffs and Lashes Let's Go Tinting Lips, Cheeks and Eyes Tint. Now this one is in the shade 02 Destiny and this is a nude pink kind of color that I really like. I'm applying it on high points of my cheeks and a very little bit on my nose. Now you need to apply this before you set your face with a powder. It's a really nice lip and cheek tint. It blends nicely and it's not too glowy. It doesn't look oily on your skin. For setting my face in place, I'm going to use the Botanico Timeless Matte Compact. This part of the video is sponsored by Kiro. This is the Kiro Botanico Timeless Matte Compact and I have it in the shade 05 Honey Tan. This is my perfect match. I can use it with full coverage makeup or on natural makeup, something like this. Now Botanico is a new high-end lineup of Kiro. This is an ultra fine powder that provides airbrushed matte finish. It's made of 100% naturally derived ingredients. This has become my favorite compact. The color matches me perfectly. This controls oil and has medium coverage. It has a non-drying formula. The compact is available in 6 shades. My exact match is 05 Honey Tan. So this is the compact and you also get a small applicator to apply the powder, but I'm just going to use my powder brush. So this has a really nice velvety formula. It's not going to dry out your skin. I'm going to set all the places where I applied the concealer. I'm not going to apply powder all over my face. The undertone is also perfect. It does mattify your skin, but it looks very natural. There's still a little bit of glow. For filling in your eyebrows, you can use a microbrow pencil. You can make hair-like strokes with a product like this. A 3D eyebrow definer is easy to use, but this will help you make hair-like strokes that look more natural. I'm using the MAC Eyebrow Styler in the shade Spiked. A good dupe of this one will be the NYX microbrow pencil in Brunette. After this, you can brush up your eyebrow hair with eyebrow gel. I will be using the Huda Beauty Bomb Brows Full and Fluffy Fiber Gel in number 7 Black Brown. It has a slim spoolie, holds hair in place for a long time, and has small fibers that make your eyebrows look full and naturally fluffy. For mascara, I will be using the Botanico Super Shield Mascara. This is in the shade 01 Carbon Black. It's made of 99% naturally derived ingredients. It has lash strengthening and lengthening properties, then intense black color. It's waterproof, non-clumpy, non-flaky, curling and volumizing. Make sure that you're curling the lashes really well before applying the mascara. Curl them twice at least. That will give your lashes a really nice lift. The final step for my face is going to be a bronzer, and for that I'm using the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade 003 Sunset. And for this I'm going to use the Cuffs and Lashes F022 brush. I'm also going to take a small brush, eyeshadow brush, and apply a little bit on my eyes. See, that's the color of the bronzer. It's very neutral. I really like the natural brown color of my eyelid. So I'm just going to enhance that a bit with this bronzer. For the final product, I'm going to use the Too Faced lip injections. I'm not going to use any lipstick because I don't always like applying lipstick. And especially if it's a no makeup look, I think you should reveal the natural color of your lips. So this is a clear gloss. It will plump up your lips a bit, and this is the best lip plumper in the Indian market. Yeah, for this natural makeup look, we're just gonna leave our lips as they are and make them a little bit more juicy and plump. So this is the completed look. Hope you guys like this no makeup look. You can wear any lip color you want with this look. I personally like bare super glossy lips with this look. I used 13 products in today's video, and that is including skincare. I used 4 skincare products and 9 makeup products. Now that is kind of minimal, although that's not the most minimal it can get, but that is the number of product I generally use for a no makeup look. And that's it. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.